Okay, hey guys, it's Joanne here from JoanneSmithMarketing.com. I'm just going to make a quick video to show you what the inside of the Octane app dashboard looks like. Now, I'm not going to give you a tutorial on how to use the product because Jono, inside your dashboard for when you buy the app, the tutorial dashboard will go through that for you, and Jono gives very detailed descriptions on exactly how to use the product. He gives you two ways to monetize in the easy method by selling ClickBank products or Amazon products. He also gives you a medium method, and this one will teach you how to use the product to sell what is known as launch jacking. So you basically have to go onto the Munchai site and pick a product and then go to the vendor's page, pick up the demo video off the demo's page and use that as your video to promote the product with your affiliate link in the description below the video. And then he has more advanced method training here where you use a more advanced method where you can upload the video and then you connect it to and with email marketing campaigns. But all those training is in there, so I will not go through that with you. But let's get back to the dashboard. Basically, when you go into the dashboard, you have a few ways of uploading videos for reviewing. So we can go to YouTube, we can search by keywords. So if your niche is, say, something in the pet industry, we could put in dogs, and it'll search the Creative Commons videos on YouTube, and you can see them below here. And then all you have to do is choose one of those videos, and you can use that to edit and create the video online. We've got training inside the app, which brings you back to the training. We have go to my videos, which I've created some here already, and if we go to edit, it'll show what we have done before, and we can render the video. We have the settings, and in the settings you connect your YouTube account inside the settings. There's a very good tutorial to show you how to do that. We have video editors. You can upload a video from your desktop, you can upload a video from the library, and you can upload, when I say from YouTube, you can choose by keywords, search by keyword or search by URL. And one of the feature I like is you can turn your video into a GIF. What that means is if you want to send out an email campaign, all you have to do is create a GIF from that video. Just trim it to a few seconds. Let's go up here, play the video.
Of child car seats.
And we'll just select a few seconds. We need about 8 seconds. And then export that GIF. What that does, you can take that GIF from that video and put it into your email marketing, and that will give you a higher click-through rate. So anyway, that's inside the dashboard. As I said, all the training, the detailed training comes inside your tutorial area, so I won't go through it right now, but that's what it looks like inside Octane. A wonderful product, a wonderful program. I really suggest you pick it up on the link below. Okay, take care then.